Hey fam, Kurt with Caribeque. Today I'm going to show you an age-old question. Can you reverse sear a ribeye on a gas grill? Yes you can, and I'm going to do a meat and potatoes meal while we're at it. Come on with me, let's go. So here are the ingredients you're going to need to reverse sear this ribeye. First of all, you have AP rub. That AP rub is going to be for our potatoes and onions over here. We have our beef rub, which is going to go on our ribeye, and we have a little rosemary that I pulled off the leaves and put them into the potatoes. But first, let's go ahead and throw a little bit of olive oil on this ribeye. We're gonna go ahead and flip it over. Get both sides. Don't wanna put too much, just need to use it as a binder. Then we're gonna take our big and bold beef rub, and we are going to liberally apply it on both sides. Also, don't forget to season your fat. Fat is flavor, and you're gonna have that come through when you're cooking. So make sure you get all the sides and the fat. Then we're gonna go ahead and flip this over and get the other side. All right, we're gonna let this sit for about 15, 20 minutes. Let the rub get into the meat. And then we're gonna go ahead and go outside. We're gonna get a cast iron skillet for our potatoes, and we're gonna reverse sear this. Get a wireless thermometer or an instant read. Let's go. Okay, so here we are outside. We're gonna be using our WEBER Genesis gas grill. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna turn these burners on this side. We're gonna go for indirect. And then we're gonna turn these two on. So you're gonna have your far right side on pretty much high to medium high, and you're gonna leave your left side alone. Now we're gonna place our ribeye on the left side, and you're gonna indirectly get the temperature of the ribeye raised to 125. Then we're gonna hit the sear button, turn this side completely on, and then sear it off on the right side. So as you can see, I have the right side on medium high, and we have the left side completely off. These two burners are on, this burner is off. I have my wireless thermometer set in. Once this gets to about 123 to 25 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and bring it over here and sear it off. Okay, so the ribeye indirectly has reached an internal temperature of 125 degrees. Let's go ahead and turn on the sear button. Get that nice and hot. Now we're gonna bring it over to the right side and do a nice hot fast sear. Get a nice crust on the outside. We're gonna go 2 minutes on each side, then we're gonna remove it, tent it, and take it inside. Let's go ahead and flip this over now. Beautiful char marks, as you can see that on there. And we're gonna go ahead and remove this in about 1 minute and replace this steak with the cast iron skillet for the potatoes and onions. So while our ribeye is inside resting, we're gonna do some quick rosemary potatoes and onions. First, we're gonna add some olive oil to our nice hot skillet. Let that get all over. I almost touched that, that would have sucked. Alrighty, we have our potatoes here. Now I cut these into 4, but I do have a pro tip. Put them in the microwave for about 3 minutes so they do soften a little bit, because they can be kind of hard. So there we have our potatoes, and then we're gonna add our onions. Let those simmer down, and of course, AP rub. Potatoes and AP go hand in hand. We're only gonna do about 2 tablespoons. Go ahead and let those cook. Just cover the grill and it'll do its own thing. Just after about 5 minutes or so, these rosemary potatoes and onions are ready to go. Let's take them inside and I'll show you a final plating. All right, folks, there you have it. Reverse seared ribeye with rosemary onion potatoes, all done on a gas grill. Anything that you can do with charcoal, you can do with gas. Okay, fam, there you have it. Just want to drop some little known facts. About 85% of Americans own a gas grill, and they pretty much only do hamburgers, hot dogs, and steaks. So we're here to show that you can do more things with your gas grill, including smoking and many other things. Like or comment below. Kurt with Caribeque, out.